हेलो एवरीवन व्हाट्स अप कैसे हो आप सब वेलकम बैक टू द मम्मी लॉजिक। आज का टॉपिक होने वाला है ऑनलाइन डेटिंग वर्सेस ओल्ड स्कूल रोमांस। वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हिट टॉपिक्स आई थिंक। ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस कि मैं भी इस टॉपिक पे बात करने से मम्मी से बहुत ज्यादा डरती हूँ। तो आज बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है देखने की मम्मी के क्या एक्चुअली विचार है और दिस एंटायर न्यू वे दैट जेन जी इज डेटिंग। बिफोर आई हेड इनटू द पॉडकास्ट आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक आवर वार्डरोब पार्टनर्स। आज मैंने बहुत ही सुंदर सा लूम का ऐसा फ्लोरल सेट पहना है। इसमें दुपट्टा नहीं है एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इजी ब्रीजी, इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट एंड इट्स अ क्वाड सेट। एंड मम्मी ने भी एकदम मोजेक प्रिंट वाला सेट पहना है। इट्स गॉट ग्रीन येलो बेज एंड अ नाइस टर्कोइज स्टील ब्लू दुपट्टा। सो आई रियली लाइक हर सेट ऑल्सो। ये मम्मी ने अपने डीपी में भी पहना है। बोथ आर सेट्स आर फ्रॉम द लूम। और आपको अगर आप ऑडियो प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे सुन रहे हो तो हमारी आवाज़ हमेशा ही बहुत क्रिस्प एंड क्लियर आती है बिकॉज शूर इज आवर माइक पार्टनर एंड दे मेक सम ऑफ द बेस्ट पॉडकास्ट माइक्स आउट देयर। ऑल द लिंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ दिस इज ऑलवेज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। साथ ही में इफ यू नॉट ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब्ड, आज हमारा फर्स्ट एपिसोड लाइव गया है सो वी आर लिटिल मोर कॉन्फिडेंट एंड वेरी वेरी हैप्पी विथ योर रिस्पॉन्स। अभी हम सारे वीडियो और ऑडियो प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे लाइव हो गए हैं तो आप जो भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे सुन रहे हो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, फेवरेट्स में ऐड कर लेना ताकि हर फ्राइडे 7 बजे जब हम एपिसोड डालें, पूरी कोशिश करके हम 7 बजे तक डाल देते हैं, तब आप उसको देख सको। उसी के साथ लेट्स डाइव स्ट्रेट इनटू दिस। Okay, my first question to you is going to be a very tricky one because I also don't know the answer to this. When was the first time you knew that I was dating somebody?
When was the first time I
Hmm.
knew?
Yeah. Like about which boyfriend did you know? Naam nahi lena.
I think you were in med school. At that point of time, you introduced him to me,
हाँ. Okay,
right?
yeah.
So, I only that was one whom I knew. Like, you were quite
उससे पहले you
matured.
had no any.
No, Baba, you used to tell me, no, Mama, I don't date anybody. I don't have any boyfriends. I don't have anybody. You used to always have that, what woes on your this to
I
cry out
used to
for.
not have boyfriends. Guys used to
Exactly.
like me, and there was like the very honest flirtation vibe that was there. There was no
Yeah, so I never knew
dating.
anybody who you were
Yeah, actually.
having any association or any contact, matlab friends,
Association.
any friends,
Association.
any friends or anybody, you
You can say the word boyfriend, mummy, taboo नहीं है.
boyfriend.
तुम्हारा भी था. Actually, I completely forgot about him. It didn't last very long,
Yeah,
but
but
it was like a proper official introduction जो मैंने की थी कि
hmm,
ये है एंड मम्मी वाज लाइक हाँ ठीक है, लाइक शी वाज वेरी चिल अबाउट इट.
hmm.
अंदर से तुमको कुछ फील हो रहा था चीजें कि तुम खाली बाहर से, क्योंकि बस बाहर से मम्मी वाज लाइक ओके फाइन यार. दैट इंसिडेंट नाउ आई रिमेंबर व्हेन ही हैड कम होम, आई हैड, it was like a clash sort of that happened. I was not expecting you to meet him because we were going out on a date and mummy aa gaye tuition se wapas, so she had to, like, I was like okay fine now. She knew about him virtually but she had never met him. और जब भी मैं मम्मी को बोलती थी मिलना है तुमको, she was like नहीं नहीं मुझे नहीं मिलना. तुमको क्यों नहीं मिलना था?
See, when your parents meet the boy, then you know it gives some this to it, like some validation to it, right?
Yeah.
Like, oh, I have introduced him to my parents, so now I'm okay with it. Like, chal jayega. Like, I can take him anytime home. I can go out with him. Like that validation, that boundary, what you चोरी चोरी छुपके छुपके जो होए वो निकल जाता है.
Yeah.
Understood? You become bold enough to just bring him home and take him and all. So that is why I wasn't very keen, and that was a very premature time of your life, and you were also not sure where my career is going to
Yeah.
lead me to, because you were still in a education phase. So, and you had high hopes of going abroad, right? That was our target, like
Yeah.
you will go to US. So we so I was okay with it, like ठीक है, like friendship is, it's normal, it's not an abnormal
Yeah.
situation, right? You are also a normal person. So I was
You
okay with it.
accepted it,
Yeah,
yeah.
I accepted it.
So my mother has usually been very very chill about these kind of topics, and but I always feel like तुम अंदर से you have something to say that you don't tell me. So today I really really want to know, and that's why I want to bring out the topic of online dating, because med school mein I had friends from other med schools, and there was like a cross flirtation and things that used to happen in med school that were there. मतलब दूसरे लोगों को मिलते थे. जब से मेरी स्कूल खत्म हो गई, कॉलेज खत्म हो गई, उसके बाद I've never met anybody normally. तो that's when I had to sort of go into, especially pandemic हो गया हमारे internship के टाइम पे, और तभी a lot of people sort of went into the world of online dating.
डेटिंग
ना तुम्हारे जमाने में तो ऐसा कुछ
कुछ नहीं था बाबा, कुछ नहीं था, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
So what was your understanding of online dating?
See, first of all, I never knew what was online
Hmm.
dating. Then once it happened that Bumble, I think Bumble,
Hmm.
one dating app, gave you that kit.
हाँ,
You remember?
Bumble had sent me a PR kit, yeah.
Yeah, and then I was curious to know कि ये क्या है, वो क्या है, ये क्यों भेजा है, like what is the purpose of they sending you and all that. And then you sat and you explained it to me, like
Yeah.
there are so many people like who are not able to find partners, or they're not able to vent out their go out, like they are not extroverts.
Yeah.
Right, so there are many people who are introverts and they don't know how to go about making friends.
Right.
Like especially when it became work from home, means you are
Yeah.
all the time confined to your houses, and then you cannot go out.
You
So
can't meet new people. Like the whole idea behind पुराने ज़माने के रोमांस में तुम लोगों से मिल पाते थे. आई डोंट नो.
Yes.
आजकल मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि बिल्डिंग की बिल्डिंग में भी हम किसी को जानते नहीं है, क्योंकि कोई
Exactly.
भी नीचे नहीं उतरता. लाइक सो मेनी टाइम्स आई माइट मीट समबडी ऑन एन ऐप हु लिटरली स्टेज लाइक 5 minutes from my house, and I would not have ever seen that person in that locality because वो घर में बैठता है, मैं घर में बैठती हूँ. तो that kind of gets bridged in these applications वाली दुनिया.
Yes.
So that is what I explained to my mother. Like, क्योंकि shaadi.com is also technically this only, na?
Yes,
It's a
virtual.
virtual दुनिया. Like all the virtual marriage apps are basically app पे photo देखा, पसंद कर लिया, फिर तुम शादी कर लेते हो. इस केस में you date and you come to know if you like the person or not. So now what are your thoughts? Like now are you chill with it? Like now that you know I've dated quite a few people via the app. What is your comfort boundary with it? Like, do you think there is anything concrete that I will ever find on these apps? Ke you think these are just flings? Like, it's nothing is going to be like that.
See, marriages, they say, are destined to happen if it has to happen. They say रिश्ते जो है वो ऊपर से बन के आते हैं.
And you believe in this?
Yeah, I believe because there are people who have crossed the oceans, crossed the seas, and marriages have taken place where, like, I have heard stories, or not genuine people also. I know those who could not, find a partner in life. Also, they have found partners. So that is like बोलते ना कि जोड़ी जो है वो ऊपर से बन के आती है, या तो फिर जो शादी का जो डेस्टिनी है वो तो होना ही होना है. अगर तुम्हारे नसीब में कोई लड़का लिखा है तो वो तो होना ही है. अंडरस्टूड. तो आई कैन नॉट बी जजमेंटल एंड से कि ये डेटिंग एप्स गलत है, बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल when people are introvert, they go into depression. So to avoid that, also to meet people on a particular app where without the knowledge of anybody, like dating app is it's your private choice. Nobody knows about it. So you're meeting someone, you're speaking to him, you're venting out to him or her. So it is a good platform. I don't judge on that about any dating apps or any of this virtual communication. It is a good way of meeting people. Yes. At least you develop that eagerness to go about with people, rather than just being confined to your homes. Yes.
I'm so proud of you, mother. I was really thinking that you're not very pro this, but you've thought this through. Like मैं extrovert हूँ no doubt, और मैं किसी से भी conversation बना सकती हूँ. मुझे कभी भी इस बारे में तकलीफ नहीं हुई है, but I don't come across a lot of the cross gender people because occupational therapy में भी सब लड़की आती बैच में, और now I'm in the beauty content creation space. So यहाँ पे भी mostly everybody's either
Feminine gender,
everybody's either a female or they are queer. Nobody is really a straight person, right? So of this opposite gender, I don't have any romantic inclination towards anybody, और मेरे वर्क में कभी आएगा भी नहीं. मेरे को ऐसा
मेरे
लगता
को
है
बोल दे, मैं अच्छा लड़का ढूंढ के दे दूंगी तेरे को, तू
बस यही
टेंशन मत ले.
सब आ जाएंगे रिश्ते लेके. कहाँ से ढूंढोगी? नहीं, मेरे को जानने के तुम्हारी सोशल लाइफ कहाँ तक सीमित है.
वो तो मत देख. तूने मेरे को बोली पॉडकास्ट चालू करने का है तो चालू कर दिए. तो कोई मेरे मेरे में कोई ऐसा नहीं है बाउंड्री कि मैं ये कर नहीं सकती हूँ।
हम्म।
तो मेरे को बोलते मम्मी मेरे को कल शादी करनी है, आज मैं लड़का लेके आऊंगी।
इतना झट मंगनी पट ब्याह मेरे को करने का ही नहीं है मेरा कोई।
वो तो
जस्ट
खाली
बिकॉज मेरे पास कपड़े हैं डज नॉट मीन मैं शादी कर लूंगी।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा वो तो खाली फ्रेज है बोलने के लिए।
Yeah, I kid around that a lot that I have everything. I have makeup, I have hair, I have my full team, production, camera, everything. All I need is a group.
ओके।
Yes. मेरे को ना सिर्फ एक चीज ऐसा खलती है about on like I honestly am very pro online dating because I've met a lot of people via online dating and one thing you don't know is you know how many friends I've made via online dating like a lot of the guy friends I have today they are all now friends like nothing is like romantic wise with them कभी था भी नहीं but you go on that first date and you realize कि ये बंदे के साथ तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है like ये मतलब फ्रेंड ही बन गया
फ्रेंड ही
like he's
बनने
friend
वाला है।
zoned. This has happened a couple of times to me, not like always, but a couple of times. And now, in fact, those people I still am in contact with, and they have become my friends. And they are like, I can rant about my other bad dates with them. So I've made so many nice friends. All of this was not there when y'all were younger. So how accepting do you think parents are towards this today? Like अभी आप तुमने बहुत I think you kind of got cooled into it, like slow and steady you got introduced to the idea of it, so you're this. बट काफी पेरेंट्स को मतलब बच्चे लोग ऐसे बता के नहीं जा सकते मम्मी मैं इसको ऑनलाइन मिली हूँ लाइक मैं जा रही हूँ अभी डेट पे बट आई नो शादियाँ जो फेसबुक फ्रेंड्स के थ्रू हुई है
ओके।
you know
Yes,
you
yes,
know
of
na
course,
one of my
yes,
friend's
yes.
sister got married and she had met that guy on Facebook and she got married to him and now they are pulling it off and how you know so
Yeah, of course. On Facebook and on all
yeah
these apps, you meet people, no,
yeah
and you come to know the profile. There are so many this what is that girls and boys who find their partners on
yeah
all these apps. Yeah, it's good
so
enough.
how would you tell a parent of today of your generation to sort of act like अगर कल को कोई बेटी या बेटा आके अपनी माँ को बोले कि मम्मी मेरे को इससे शादी करनी कि मैं इसको कहाँ मिले थे हम ऑनलाइन ऐप पे मिले थे
Hmm.
तो how would a parent who's really fixated in their ideas sort of accept this?
See, in metropolitan cities, no, nowadays parents have started because these are the trends which are changing now.
Yeah.
Because since like because of the evolving generation and evolving so many traditions, people are ready to break. So people are the parents are also trying to evolve themselves. I'm not talking about the 10% rigid parents. I'm talking about the evolving parents, you
Okay.
know.
But
So
for
they
this they have to sort of evolve, right? They can't be
no
stuck up in their
they
ways.
are not stuck up, no, they evolve, they evolve, and they welcome the fact that their daughter or their son is, you know, ready to commit themselves into a bond of, because first of all, getting married today is the last option for the generation now. People are not ready, like 90% of the people, boys and girls, are scared to get married, or they don't want to go in a bond of marriage. They
Yeah.
would rather be like live in and, you know that person for some time and then
Yeah.
go ahead with marriage or something
Yeah.
like that. So marriage is the marriage concept only is changing.
Yeah.
Today the marriage concept, like they want to know the boy
Person.
or the girl partner before getting committed into a relationship. So parents are welcoming this fact of online dating or online apps, and
Because
they
I
are
think some
accepting.
parents have that कि तू तो इसको ऑनलाइन मिले कितना ये रिश्ता टिकेगा मतलब
Yeah,
वो भी तो
that doubts are always there, but then everywhere marriage is a gamble, right?
Yeah.
Marriage is definitely a gamble. Maybe you know that person for 10 years and still you cannot pull on with that person. You know, you don't
Yeah.
have any assurance that you're going to be, you know, living like happily ever after. That is only
that's no like is
that's only in
happily
Yash Raj movies or in Dharma production. Yes, 100%.
is happily ever after even a thing like
Yeah, because these, see, Indians, not only yeah, it's Indians, because we value marriage vows.
Yeah.
Marriage is like very sacred in India, at
Yeah.
least. So for us over here, if you get divorced or if you break, you know, split, it becomes like a taboo, it becomes like a stigma in the society. So for that, people are tread very very carefully ki whether I should go.
Yeah.
And in all these, you know, we have that we live in a very illusionary world,
Yeah.
like like the fairy tales where you have a, everything is going so smoothly, everything is so colorful and blissful and everything. And then finally, like Dharma Productions, they have boys and girls, everything, and then they live happily ever after. Nobody shows you the
After.
after,
Yeah.
like the black and white picture to never begins.
Yeah.
Understood? So that
That's
that
what I always say. Like, so you've seen Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, na? Yeah.
yes,
So I was like, okay, खत्म तो हो गई, लड़का लड़की मिल गए, but अब क्या हुआ? How do they get over the guy who loves to travel and the girl who stays in one place and runs a clinic and this? Who's happy in this? Who's compromising? कैसा चल रहा है ये रिश्ता? ये मूवी तो खत्म हो गई. I want to know अब ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं?
करने
Like
वाले.
ये जो reality है वो movies. Of course, movies
Yeah,
are like
because we like those
movies are your
movies.
feel good
Feel
factor,
good
right? You're not
factor. It's
supposed
an
to.
entertainment.
Of
Yeah,
course, yeah.
fine.
I'm not saying that every movie needs to have a social message because I'm a
Mhm.
little fed up of every movie giving a social message. Sometimes you're just looking for entertainment.
Mhm.
But of course, that kind of picture that you see growing up as a kid, like growing up, you feel like that old school romance is still there. कोई लड़के को मिलेंगे, आंखें टकराएगी, प्यार होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा, और फिर when you grow up, you feel like who's meant for you will walk into your life someday.
Yes,
But the
yes.
more you grow up, you realize unless you make effort, you're never going to meet that person.
Right.
You're not just going to sit at home and somebody's going to bump into you and you're going to fall in love,
But
that's not going
sometimes
to
it is
happen.
like arranged marriages also, they after parents,
Hmm.
fixing up a marriage also, the boy and the girl, they definitely fall in love. It's
Yeah.
see, I think love is very, very, what do you say? It's a bubble.
Hmm.
It's your mindset, how you view that person. Today I can love a rose also, I can love a any love is very, very subjective, and it is personal opinion how you love
Yeah.
something,
Yeah.
right? It's a my abstract noun. So for that you have to, प्यार हो जाता है तो प्यार प्यार तुम्हारे मन में प्यार होगा तो तुमको प्यार आएगा ना.
Hmm.
बाकी तुम्हारे मन में तुम 10 ख्याल रखेंगे तो तुमको कभी कोई किसी से प्यार नहीं होगा.
Hmm.
So it's up to you how you see
See
the
a person.
person, or see the opposite gender, or see anything, like
Hmm.
and
But
प्यार
even in
काफी नहीं
arranged
होता.
marriages,
Yeah.
mummy, I know प्यार काफी नहीं होता है, but that's what I'm saying. That the idea of love and love itself is very different. Sometimes you meet a person and you like the idea of that person, that okay, everything is matching. He's a doctor, he's stable, he's got money, he comes from wealth, his family is really nice, the family is liking me, my family likes him. I'm just giving you a criteria. I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah.
saying कि मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, but I'm just giving you an arbitrary example because मम्मी हमेशा मेरे को बोलती थी med school जाएगी, तेरे को डॉक्टर लड़का मिलेगा तो डॉक्टर शादी हो जाएगी. लाइक कुछ भी मेरे दिमाग में डाल के रखा था, ऐसा कुछ
नहीं,
भी
पर
हुआ
मैंने
नहीं.
जितनी डॉक्टर फ्रेंड्स या मैं जिस डॉक्टर्स को जानती हूँ, उनकी वाइफ्स भी तो डॉक्टर्स ही है.
आई नो होता है, ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मेरे भी मेड्स मतलब केएम में बहुत सारे लोगों के अपने चल रहे थे अच्छे खासे. एमबीबीएस में तो ज्यादा करके होता है बिकॉज एमबीबीएस में देयर इज अ गुड रेशियो प्रपोर्शन ऑफ मेन एंड वुमेन एंड व्हाटएवर. बट ओटी में
पर
तो
कैंपस तो
खैर
एक ही होता है ना, एमबीबीएस और ओटी का.
yeah. But I don't know, like to be very honest, I was never attracted to any doctor. Firstly, I just felt like men my age were not at the same maturity. This was happening to me a lot. A lot of MBBS people used to hit on me, but I used to have this. I used to go out on dates also with them, but I used to not feel like they had the same maturity level as me. I felt like ये लोग तो अभी डेट करने लगे हैं. Dating life में step in ही किया नहीं होगा. So for them, like mine and their connection was not there. For me, I feel like I need a lot older person to be able to
Because
relate
your
to me.
personality is different.
Yeah,
ना?
so I realized
Exactly.
that in med school कि मैं ऐसा नहीं था कि I didn't make guy friends. I have guy friends. You also know that I've gone out on dates with other people also who are not friends with me. They know me. They all, it's all good, but their wavelength and my wavelength was
never
not the same.
matches, yes.
Seniors though, who I went out with, I still had more of a match because seniors were seniors and उन लोग ने already देख ली थी दुनिया.
Mhm.
तो मेरी ज्यादा उन लोग के साथ बनती थी, but मेरी एज वालों के साथ MBBS में नहीं. And of course होता ही है ऐसा कि you're in the same university, you are there for 4.5 years, 5.5 years, so you have that connection. I sort of never developed that with anybody and sort of lost interest in doctors in general in KEM, आई वुड जस्ट गिव KEM. दूसरे कॉलेजेस के फिर भी ठीक थे, बट KEM से मेरा पर्सनल ऐसा हो गया कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं जम रहे इधर के कोई भी लोग. तो इसलिए दैट्स व्हेन लाइक आई टर्न टू ऑनलाइन डेटिंग. आई वाज लाइक, आई थिंक आई नीड टू मीट पीपल हु आर नॉट डॉक्टर्स. मे बी दैट्स नॉट what I'm enjoying this conversation. And sometimes I used to meet doctors who were purely frustrated. I used to just meet them who were just disappointed, unhappy. माँ बाप फोर्स कर रहे हैं इसलिए वो लोग लाइक मैं KEM में पैशन से थी, मैं खुश थी, पढ़ाई करने के लिए खुश थी. कभी कभी मेरे को ऐसा लगता था ये डेट पे मैं जाऊंगी, इतनी इंटेलेक्चुअल कॉन्वर्सेशन होगी, बट दिस पर्सन इज फुल्ली इनटू म्यूजिक एंड ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉन्सर्ट्स दैट ही इज गोइंग टू अटेंड एंड going to start his own band in college and all. And I was like, great for you, but music doesn't interest me.
Mhm.
So actually doctors are also not all happy
Yeah,
doctors, right?
there are all kind of people, right? And everybody has their different choices
Yeah.
of career or
Mm.
choices of profession or something like that. It's just because of parental pressure they take up that
या तो
that
ये मेरे को
education.
ऐसे लोग ज्यादा मिल रहे थे जो ज्यादा दुखी थे KEM आके भी. तो मैं बोली भाई इसको तो मतलब मतलब ये तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम वाली सिचुएशन हो गई कि मैं तो बहुत
मैं
खुश.
कहा ऐसा प्रॉब्लम उठा लूं.
मेरे को तो वही लगता था, वैसे मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ KEM में आके, ये क्यों इतना दुखी है? Because that was the best institute to be in, and that kind of a lot of things used to not match. So that's when I was like, maybe I need to meet other kind of people who are not doctors. And
Mhm.
that time, that is when I sort of branched out and internship में fed up. Okay, काफी लोग, not just me, all of my friends who were single at the time started exploring online dating in general. I've
Mhm.
had my hits, I've had my misses, but I just feel like that old school charm sort of goes away when you are seeing somebody on an app, because you like how much ever people say कि it's not physical,
Mhm.
you are judging a person by their photo. और तुमको क्या
Yes.
ही पता चल रहा है
जो
उनके
पता
बारे में?
चल रहा है
Like
बराबर.
कुछ भी नहीं पता चलता. You don't know how they are. You don't know even by
But
profession.
that is just the base. Then you
Exactly.
yeah.
So a lot of times you see the person's face and then you go on the date and you don't like their personality at all, and you're like, oh my god, I'm stuck. How am I going to leave
Leave.
from here? So that has happened to me so many times. You met Papa in a very old school fashion. Do you
Mhm.
think that had that own beauty and charm जो आजकल बिल्कुल भी देखने नहीं मिलता है? Like तुम लोग इतने
Mhm.
innocent थे, और I feel like y'all went for it. Today's generation is scared to
Yes.
go for it, right? After
Right.
falling in love, also they analyze so many
Mon-
ways and cons and pros, and everything is measured, everything is
yes.
analytical.
Mhm.
I'm saying
Bec-
that because I'm also like that.
yeah.
But तुमने इतना analysis नहीं की. प्यार हुआ, शादी हो गई. Would you prefer that today, or would you prefer?
See, both that, actually, that is not also very much for the motion, I would say, because I cannot debate on that. Yeah, oh, that was the best. Because in spite of knowing him for so many years, also after marriage, I had to like everything turned out black and white. But you feel like you know that love is existing, and then you feel very romantic. You feel special, and you get you like you are treated as a very beautiful
You
person.
fire.
Yeah, doting on you, giving you all that affection, and catering to all your needs and all that. So that is really where which even if there are after marriage, like there are shortcomings or there are like so many ups and
Yeah.
downs, then you go back to that phase. Oh yeah, he can
Be
he
that
has
person.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so he has been that, like he has love in his heart, and he's not brutal, or he's not so violent, or he's means
Yeah.
he doesn't have any what do you say, he's capable of
Loving that
loving
way.
you. And
Yeah.
yeah, so then you all those memories come back to you, and then you that gives you one milestone to cross.
Hmm.
So yeah, then I feel
Because there was that love, that was the foundation. तो अगर
yes,
कुछ
the foundation was strong. Yeah,
that is not there. Like today, that is lacking. From the very first thing, you start analyzing, right? From the very first.
everything has become so materialistic. Like everything is measured in
Yeah.
materials, like for how, like even when you go on a date, like the boy and the girl want to split the bill. So that is like very irrational. It's okay, you have a cup of tea, but one person spends for it. Like everything is calculative, and I don't feel that in when you measure everything in terms of money or everything in terms of material, how would a partner, both they
Yeah.
have a combined
Yeah.
relation, you know.
Because everybody looks to how are you benefiting me, like अभी
Yeah.
अपने इतने सारे शादी.com वाले incidences भी सुने हमारी फैमिली में ही, काफी लोग जो they are in that phase of wanting to
Mm.
get married and all, and they're all, the first time a guy and a girl meet, they all ask like, you'll take care of my mother, you'll be there at home, you'll cook, do you know to cook food. Everything is analyzed in the basis of quality and quantity,
Mhm.
or
It's like conditional, you know,
ex-
everything is conditional.
and the one thing about love is it's not conditional, it's
It's
not
not
supposed to be.
supposed to be,
तो
right?
इवन इफ यू मीट वाया ऑनलाइन डेटिंग, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो कंडीशंस नहीं आते हैं, बिकॉज
Mhm.
पहली बारी में ही तुम मिलो, हर चीज ऐसी हो जाती है कि व्हाट डू यू डू फॉर वर्क, व्हाट डू आई
Mhm.
डू फॉर वर्क,
Mhm.
हाउ इज दिस पर्सन गोइंग टू adjust to me, and how am I
Mhm.
going to adjust to? I've never had a first date also where question and answers are purely about what kind of food do you like, or what kind of music do
Music
you
you like.
like, or it's more like what do you do for work, how do you go about with
Mhm.
that.
When everything is like mercenary, like like virtual apps are like a like a business transaction. It becomes like a business transaction. So then they feel the guy friends what I'm talking about. When you come on the same platform, then they feel like we have to put the questionnaire pertaining to business transactions. It's nothing about your personality. It's nothing about your choices. Nothing about what you like or what you dislike. You know.
Yeah.
So virtual apps are basically commercialization, right?
Hmm.
It's a commercial thing, no?
But how do you think nowadays generation, मतलब Gen Z कैसे इसको अलग कर सकती है, मतलब to have that little bit
No,
of,
now also arranged marriages are taking place. I
I am
also
talking about love, you're talking about arranged marriage.
no Gen Z मतलब love का कैसा love तो personal subjective होता है
नहीं,
ना.
मैं बोल रही हूँ कि यही डेटिंग एप्स पे मिल के, हाउ अबाउट पीपल डोंट आस्क व्हाट डू यू डू फॉर वर्क, व्हाट डू यू डू फॉर अ लिविंग, एंड एक्चुअली टॉक अबाउट.
They are no inbuilt with all those questionnaires. तो जैसे ही कोई भी डेट पे चले जाते, they start the flow of questions, डा 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 डा, उसके आंसर्स दे दो.
हाँ, सब
Then
लोग
you
एक
come
प्री
to
इंटेंशन से ही आते हैं कि मतलब ये
हाँ
हुकअप है, कि ये डेटिंग है, कि
हाँ
ये शादी करने मटेरियल, शादी मटेरियल है, व्हाट इज दिस, एवरीबॉडी हैज लाइक एन एंड गोल.
हम्म.
That is like the amount of times I've gone on a date and I've been like, I have no end goal, I am going with the flow, and people can't relate. Like I'm like, I have just met you, how can I already tell you like I'm interested to hook up with you or date you or be in a relationship and actually make it public or marry you? मैं अभी तो मिली हूँ तुझसे, like थोड़ा टाइम तो बिता ले, like
Hmm.
that kind of patience is lacking, which is why I've stopped dating all over in general, is because I'm like, I cannot keep reintroducing myself to people that I want to just go with the. I have become so exhausted of introducing myself to so many people and them just thinking के पता नहीं, मतलब इसको तो कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं, इसको तो पता ही
Hmm.
नहीं इसको क्या चाहिए. अरे मेरे को पता कैसे होगा कि मुझे क्या चाहिए जब तक आई डोंट नो यू. इट्स वेरी सब्जेक्टिव, राइट? आई एम
Hmm.
नॉट ऑन अ मैरिज प्लेटफॉर्म वेर आई वांट टू गेट मैरिड. So how can I tell you that I'm only looking for marriage or I'm looking for a relationship? I'm looking to see how things go with you and I.
This is a very broad spectrum where you can't speak anything on it. I'll tell you another thing, no, nowadays no sex is also available very freely. People, you know, just to satisfy that instinct of theirs, just to satisfy that masculine or feminine instinct of theirs, they can just have sex like at any with anyone or with any partner or anybody. Like very common, it is very, it has become very common. Like our times it wasn't, you know,
Hmm.
it wasn't possible at all. First of
Hmm.
all, that was like, it was considered like a taboo, or it was considered not possible. Only it wasn't so freely available. No apps were there, no no meetups were there,
Hmm.
so it wasn't possible, right?
Yeah.
So then that that urge to commit yourself to a man, or that urge to commit yourself to a woman, was always this was that desire was there,
Yeah.
you know. So you had that vision. So you would see that person, like if suppose if a proposal is coming or you're meeting somebody, you're looking with that broad vision where, oh yeah, I find this person good, this is good, this is good. Like you take the plus points, and the other points you, like you just
Let go.
let go, or you minus it.
Yeah.
So then, you know, that also makes a
Yeah.
difference. Today everything is so freely available, so the
Yeah.
value of human
Contact.
yeah, the congeniality is also not there, you
Yeah.
know. So that is the reason why everything is dwindling day by day.
Hmm.
You know, the quality of
It's a very valid point, actually. I would.
quality of, husband and boy and girl, that is because they are getting everything so easily,
Yeah.
right? It's available, so that is only one need what per person needs,
Mm.
na,
Yeah.
for a human being to have a partner.
Yeah.
बाकी फूड तो अवेलेबल है, बाकी सब तो एवरीथिंग यू गेट.
That's not the only thing. I would say, even if sex is freely available to everyone, people still look for companionship. I think in a partner, what I would look for is a companion. Like you said, love is a bubble. वो तो टूट जाएगा. Starting में होगा, चला जाएगा. But at the end, a companion is somebody who will stay with you through thick and thin. You know, those promises that they make. Even if you don't want to take the vows of marriage, and if today's generation is over the concept of marriage also, which I'm not. I'm very pro marriage, but अगर लोग नहीं भी मानते तो भी कम अभी जो लिव इन भी करते हैं वो लोग तुम क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हो अपने पार्टनर दे आर नॉट गोना हैव सेक्स एवरी डे दैट्स नॉट व्हाट अ लिव इन इज पीपल मस्ट अज्यूम दैट बट
या
इन अ लिव इन आल्सो इट्स कंपेनियनशिप पीपल लिव इन सो दैट दे कैन सी के रेंट स्प्लिट करके देखते हैं खाना बना के देखते हैं इसके साथ रह के देखते
रह
हैं
के देखते
कि
हैं,
भाई तू रह भी सकता है मेरे साथ कि नहीं
नहीं रह सकता.
क्योंकि nowadays you are living with your mother very nicely. I'm living with my mother very nicely. Mothers are taking care of our food, our laundry, our this and that. But when you actually live alone, तभी दाल आटे का भाव समझता है
No,
ना.
when you live with
तो
your partner, as they say, बर्तन तो आवाज करते ही है, तो तब पता चलता है कि how that partner is going to gel with you, what all of flaws of yours is he going to ignore.
yeah,
Like you have friends at your house for party, whether he is going to welcome those friends.
yeah,
Then you have, suppose if you are sleeping late, is he okay with that concept of you,
yeah,
waking up late? Now you are like master of yourself, doing everything what you want,
yeah,
getting up at any time, doing this, doing that. So when you are living with a partner, that's why when you live with a partner, you get to know ki
yeah,
how accommodating that
yeah,
partner is of yours, right?
yeah. So you're pro live in then.
Yeah, actually I feel you should live in, and
Yeah,
then you should decide to commit
yeah.
yourself, because once you get married, then you should not
Break it off.
break
Yeah.
the this commit marriages,
Mm-hmm.
like that's also like not advisable.
Yeah.
I wouldn't advise. I
Yeah.
always feel marriages should be till the end,
Sacred, yeah.
sacred.
Yeah, I
Yes.
think that I think when a marriage breaks, it hurts a lot more.
It
Because
hurts a lot more. It breaks up families, it breaks up
exactly it breaks up
everything.
families because and if you have a child, it breaks that.
Oh,
It's
that's a
so
trauma.
traumatic for I'm not trying to stigmatize divorce. I think agar if you're unhappy in a relationship, you must call quits and leave it and I feel sad. Like divorce is always sad. Like I never judge
Divorce is.
divorce. Like ऐसा नहीं कि अरे तूने तो इसके साथ ये भी नहीं टिका पाया. It's more like I feel sad. I feel hurt when I hear divorces. You feel like you lose that. Every time I see some social media couple announce a divorce, I feel that faith I have in love dwindles a little more. It dwindles a little more. कि I was like तुम भी नहीं चला पाए शादी, तुम भी नहीं चला पाए. Like मुझे like I used to ship you guys and now you all also couldn't like and that kind of idealism you have towards them that wow they are such a beautiful couple they accept each other's flaws and they're so good together and you see them their content and whatever social media couple matlab public figures and then when they announce
Yeah,
a divorce it
this,
sort
yes,
of
yes.
hits home
Mm.
because it's like it hits home I feel bad for them I feel hurt and I feel really like I've lost my faith in love also a little bit like with every divorce I lose a little bit of faith in love and that
But
companionship
you can't be that, right? Because you can't be cynical about the situations. It's
yeah
every that because someone did that, so I cannot get scared. Like tomorrow, if there is a bomb blast on the road, it's not that will stop moving out, right? Or if there's an accident, it's not that we won't drive a car.
yeah
So we can't be cynical about, because it's their
True.
choice, it's their life, it's
True.
their everything is theirs.
yeah
But I feel if there is even 1% hope of pulling on the marriage, or 1% hope of living,
1% you have to cling on to
yeah, you have to hold on to that, and you have to like go ahead. I feel even if there are very few chances of getting together and pulling on, or I'm not saying that the children are going to be brought up in such a atmosphere. Children also get spoiled in
yeah
toxic atmosphere, but still they have both the parents, and
Yeah, that's
old
what.
age, once you cross 50, at that point of time, then you really feel, lonely. You feel, you want somebody. Maybe you are having so many ailments, you need somebody to accompany you to doctors, or you need somebody all the time. And it's only if your partner is there, he understand you, he will come with you, he will, take care of you. At least that little affection, that after living with him for so
Yeah.
many years, उतना तो उसको
होगा।
ऑब्लिगेशन हो ही जाता है
Yeah.
कि हाँ, मैं ये इसने मेरे साथ इतने साल बिताया, तो अब मैं इसके लिए इतना तो मैं कर ही सकता हूँ।
Yeah.
ऐसा वो हो ही जाता है।
Hmm.
And you feel nice, when you're aging. At least when you're young, you're so career driven, you have so much to do, and you're never,
Yeah.
bothered ki
Satisfied.
like you never give a second thought ki you have somebody in life.
Hmm.
But once you cross 50, then you feel like,
Yeah.
yes, there is somebody to take care of, like that.
But so many times, even if you don't have, it's not like you don't go alone to the doctor. If Papa is busy in work, you go na to
I go alone, but at the back of my mind, I know that he's there for me. Like, अगर मुझे कुछ हो
Hmm.
रहा है, तो he's taking care of me.
Yeah.
He's,
Yeah.
like whatever personal problems I have, he's there. He's attending
Yeah.
to me, right?
Yeah.
So all that makes a difference. Even a small action can speak volumes.
Volumes, yeah.
That's what is important.
Yeah.
I
think
always believe in that. It's
true.
it's
I do
I-
because what you're saying is right. Like what today I'm so career driven, इतना मैं अपने career पे ही focus करती हूँ that I don't think probably as I age I will feel the need to have that companion. I still feel, I'm not gonna say last episode में हमने देखा कि tarot cards said that I do have that feeling of loneliness at times and I do look out and actively seek for a romantic partner, but the kind of men I am meeting, I'm not very happy sharing any part of my life with them.
you tell me, I'll find a boy for you.
What do you mean? I really want to know what are these social circles of yours that, because I know your life in and out and I know कि तुम तो मम्मी is not that kitty
Don't-
party woman also. ऐसा भी नहीं है मम्मी किट्टियों में जाती है ये वो भी नहीं है मम्मी
Don't
का.
doubt my credentials. Don't doubt my potential. I can do anything. You know that very well.
Very scared of this lines, I'm very scared of what she means
You
when she
just give me
says
the green signal. Yes.
I'm not giving you any
Yeah.
signal right
30
now.
30 years तक I'm giving you freedom. तुझे को जो करना है कर. 30 years हो गए ना, फिर मैं लड़का ढूंढ.
30 तक रुक सकती हो तो
हाँ, 30 years is a
फिर
good
उसके बाद
age.
तुम ऑटो पायलट पे लड़का ढूंढोगी.
Yes.
बट तभी तक मेरे को अगर 40 वाला मुझे तो 10 साल बड़ा
40 वाला नहीं रहे, बहुत बुढ़ा हो जाएगा.
How mean. Maybe I at least need somebody who's 10 years older to me.
No.
Why?
10 years. Stop.
Age is just a number.
नहीं, वो नंबर रहने दे भाई बुक्स में. वो phrase तेरे पास ही
No,
रख.
but Sachi, I
35. At least 5 years senior to you.
now I would need somebody who's 35. Because
Not 10 years senior, Sara.
तो तुम मुझे 30 तक लेवरेज दे रही हो. तो अगर कोई 30 साल का आदमी अभी शादी नहीं किया है तो उसको भी तो वो लेवरेज मिला होगा
When
ना.
you come till 30, then I'll see a boy around the age of 35.
What if all the
5
boys,
years-
good boys around the age of 35, firstly boys 35 ने men हो गए, मैं भी
ठीक है,
woman हो गई.
हाँ, वो
So,
मैं हो गई.
but what if they are already married and taken and
Let them be. No, then there are no. इतनी बड़ी आबादी है, तो उतनी बड़ी आबादी में कोई मिलेगा नहीं, ऐसा
oh
लगता.
god, so good guys. One thing is for sure कि मुझे अभी 6 साल की छूट है तो 6 साल I can do whatever I want.
Exactly.
And exact तो अभी whatever marriage questions you'll keep popping on my channel, y'all can stop them for a while, right? अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमने कोई टॉपिक डेटिंग के बारे में या शादी या लव के बारे में नहीं कवर किया एंड यू वांट मम्मी और मैं उस पर बात करें क्योंकि आप अपनी मम्मी से इस बारे में नहीं बात कर सकते हैं, देन डेफिनेटली कमेंट्स में छोड़ना. यू कैन ऑल्सो DM अस, प्राइवेट मैसेजेस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. हम वो कमेंट्स और वो टॉपिक्स ज़रूर कवर करेंगे आपके लिए. अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे पॉडकास्ट को नहीं ऐड किया है, इफ़ यू हैवंट एडेड अस टू योर फेवरेट्स और वट एवर योर एप्लीकेशन अलाउज यू टू डू ऑन योर वीडियो ऑडियो platforms, please go ahead, subscribe, add us to your favorites, add us to your playlists, and we will be tuning in every Friday at 7 p.m. with a lot of interesting topics of Gen Z versus Gen X for y'all. I would again like to thank Shur and the Loom for being our mic and wardrobe partners respectively, and we will see you next time. Bye!
Bye.